Hi there, this is AJ Royal Kitchen. Today I'm making a delicious snack my whole family can stop eating. So come along and let's get this started. For this recipe, I'm going to be using flour, sugar, baking powder, milk powder, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. I'll mix everything together until it is well combined, then set it aside. For the wet ingredients, I'll crack 1 egg into a bowl, add some evaporated milk and stir very well. Next, I'll make a small well in the flour and pour in the wet mixture. I will use my hand to form a soft dough. If it feels a bit tough, I add a little water. The dough shouldn't be too sticky or too soft. Once it comes out nicely, I'll cover it and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps the dough become softer and easier to roll. After resting, I roll the dough into half an inch. Then trim the edges for easy shaping. Now I'll use a cookie cutter to cut out my favorite shapes. You can use any shape of choice. After I've cut out the shapes, I will roll the extra dough again and keep cutting. I'll heat up a good amount of oil for deep frying. The oil shouldn't be too hot or too cold. I gently drop the pieces in and keep turning them until they are beautifully golden. Once they turn golden brown, I transfer them into a strainer. Our creamy delicious snack is now ready for the whole family to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share with your loved ones. See you in the next one. Bye.